All right, guys, we're back with Kuroji Gaming. Man, it was a pain. This one, this part right here, control arm, was a little bit of a pain in the ass because I was trying to squeeze it out, and I guess when it got hit, the frame that was holding it was kind of smashed in. So when I was trying to pull it out, it wasn't coming out. And then when I was trying to put it back in, it was even worse. So I had to kind of bend the frame open. I had to bend it open, and then I was able to slide it in. I just kind of hit this with the hammer to try to get it, or with the, I put something on here, a piece of metal, and I hit it with a hammer and I slided it in, and then that was pretty easy. One thing I forgot to mention was to remove these bolts right here, this one, and of course this one. I used the jack a lot to lift all this up and adjust it to where I needed it, to get all these bolts in and stuff like that. So a jack definitely comes in handy, something like that. That's what I was talking about right here. This right here, this piece right here got smashed. See how it's bent? So it was kind of a pain to try to get that in there. And then the bottom piece got smashed as well. I'm not sure if you guys could see it, but down there it got smashed. This was fairly simple, the tie rod arm. I just used a crescent wrench, and then held this one and took the other one off with the other crescent wrench. Yeah, that was pretty much it. I put that one bolt up top. So what I did first was I did the strut. I removed this first, and then once I had that removed, then I removed the control arm, and that was pretty much it. So now it looks pretty square. I'm gonna put the tire on, and that's pretty much it. The front bumper, I'm just gonna sand it down and paint it. I'm not gonna replace it. I think these are 19s. This is a 19 up here. The one at the bottom of the control arm is a 14, which is this one. It's a 14. That's a 19. And the one back there on the control arm as well is a 19 down there. Not sure if you could see it, but that's pretty much it. It looks good. Now to put it all back together. I just put this little thing so it wouldn't roll. Yeah, if you guys have any questions, just definitely just hit me up, leave some comments, and subscribe. All right, thanks guys.